Hey class, it's Aubrey here. So for this assignment, the question that I personally found the most interesting was question number 2. Basically, this question is, if a computer generates art from a photograph or another piece of art, is it art? Why or why not? So I'm going to just explain the conclusion that I came to, and I'm going to show you why I came to that conclusion. So personally, I think that if a computer has had a significant role to play in the ultimate creation of the artwork, as in you didn't have much input in what the result looked like, I don't think you can call that your art. Now, to disqualify and say that it is not art, I don't think that's I think that's a bit narrow-minded. And the reason that I came to that conclusion was actually because of the website that's linked on this question, which I will navigate over there real quick. So basically, this website will take any image that you want to submit. You then choose the style that you want the image to look like, and the computer will change and alter your image so that it looks like some other artist's style. So to say that a person who uploaded this image created this, I think, yeah, that's a no-go. Obviously, this image and this image are not the same. The time and effort and creativity that went into this image and this resulting image are significantly different. But to say that this, the resulting image is not at all to do with the person who originally took the first image, I think that is incorrect as well. So while this is a really neat program and could make some really interesting images, I do believe there is a significant loss in just the beauty of art and sort of what art is all about. Now, of course, in things like programs like Photoshop, which we use in this class, there's a significant amount of computer, working. It's not the same as ceramics or painting painting on paper. It's not the same sort of hands-on work when you're using a digital program. But with programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, things like that, there's a significant amount of effort and time and meticulous attention to detail and intentionality on the part of the creator. With this program, you're just sort of throwing your thing in and it's sort of just hoping for the best at the end. Hopefully it'll look cool, but there's very little effort on your part and very little of your personal creativity being expressed in the final image. Whereas with Photoshop, you have to be pretty intentional and know what you're doing in order to, make the image that you're trying to make, to get the look that you're trying to achieve. So, absolutely, could you say that this person can take a pretty cool picture? Sure, yes. Are they a painter? Well, no. Is this image their artwork? In some ways, it is, but at the same time, I don't know that you couldn't say that this person is a painter. So it's art-ish. I do think that one of the biggest things I love about art is that you are able to express your opinions, your perspectives, the way that you see the world to the world. And so I think when a computer is primarily responsible for the result of what your art is going to look like, I think that you're not able to sort of have that same release. A big part of why art is exciting is because you get a vision for what you want something to look like. You have an idea of what you want your art to be, and then you go through the steps of having the vision, and then making the vision, taking the picture, or doing that editing and working through the process of creating the art so that it is close to or what you were hoping it would be. And if that's not happening, I think that you kind of are at a disadvantage. That's why art is so beautiful, and that's actually why art is work. A lot of people think artists don't do any work, but that is not true. Creativity can be hard, and it takes a lot of intentionality. So, yeah, that's my thoughts on computer-generated art. And yeah, if you guys disagree with me, I'd love to hear about it below, in the comments below. This is not a YouTube channel, but we'll just throw that in there. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you guys' video, and I hope you enjoyed my thoughts. So yeah, bye-bye.